Whoosh. Okay. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. All right. Let's see what we got here for music today. Mic check, mic check. All right, cool. Should be running.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to complain when you cheat, when I lose my pen. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself
Nah, yeah.
That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Think about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. It's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Think about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with you.
All right, money day, guys. Money day, money day.
Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me on.
Dollar really did the dancey dance yesterday.
Like you're still
Okay, so weekly structure, bearish. Okay, the way we're currently dropping, definitely have to look at this weekly low here. At some point during this week, it is Tuesday, so could we potentially form the low of the week somewhere around here? Okay, that is one idea. Alright, DXY dollar just broken a low, taking out liquidity, so realistically we should see a bit of a bounce back. Yeah, we should see a little bit of a bounce back, a little reaction from taking out those lows. I'm gonna look at this area here as well. Okay, half hour, 45, hourly. See if we can pull back up into there and see if that wants to give us another move lower. So last night we had a little nice move. Okay, closure outside the 4-hour imbalance. Slight pullback, slight consolidation during Asia. Continuation during London session open. Minor pullback, continuation. Okay, so New York today, let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback and then another further continuation. Okay, so then that means for Euro USD, okay, yeah, same picture on EU as well. If we look to the left here, EU's taking out some really significant highs.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way
Okay,
to go.
see if we can find a little setup in EU today. Pay attention to EU as well.
I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? What about a smile? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I
Okay,
gotta go for mine.
money day, money day, money day. How you guys doing? Gold, gold, gold. Ladies and gents, gold is near all-time highs once again. Talk about a recovery. Okay. As I said to you guys during the pre-market analysis video, I said to you, like, look, we're in a pretty decent area where gold can actually push up and give us all-time highs potentially. Right now we're rivaling all-time highs. I'm not too sure if gold today is gonna bust a high. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see. Right now, because of the current talks with Trump, Zelensky, you know, it's not positive for a potential peace deal or any sorts of deal right now. So gold is back on the rise, and that's the main reason why gold has just been shooting up with minor retracements and pullbacks. Okay. Yesterday caught a really nice buy here. Right. So for today, to be honest, guys, I don't think we're actually gonna get any deeper retracements. Like for sure, I'd like to look for a buy somewhere around here if we can get down there. But even when I look at the economic calendar, money day gift, how you doing, my bro? Look at the economic. We just got Brazil Carnival today. That's it. That's literally it. That's all we have today. Tariffs are effective from today as well. Okay. I got you. Okay. Well, in any case, we'll look to go long at this hourly candle. It's Gift says in the chat box, it's interesting all this fundamental news, bro. I'm enjoying the news, I can't lie. Yeah, it is interesting, you know, just reading about it, because you know, you get to learn and see, you know, the people behind the scenes, especially in this day and age where technology is a lot more accessible, right? So with the internet, it's easier to see these things happen. You know, you can see their personalities, their characters, what they stand for, etc., etc. So yeah, news has always been interesting, my bro, but sometimes it can be a little bit boring, if I'm being completely honest with you. To be honest, I think gold might just flash straight through this area, you know. But let's see what we can get today. See what GU's doing. Yeah, similar picture with GU really. Very shallow pullback, continuation higher, taking out key highs. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing pulls back, you know, like a much deeper retracement. Got a little area here on GU, could be a buy from. Bitcoin is down bad. Boy, I didn't think we would come for this weekly candles wick so fast. Like pretty much in 2 days, we've pretty much almost closed off most of that wick. So yeah, it does look like 75k is on the way. Money day everyone in the live stream right now. If you're new to the live stream or you're returning, come say hello inside the chat box. Let's have a conversation. Myself and Gift are currently talking about the news. How's the audio? Is the music too loud? Should I turn it down a bit? Let me know, guys. Let me see if I can't find this indicator. Is it this one? Yeah, it is this one. This should be, what is this, the daily candle? Alright, so the daily candle is from here. So that's the start of the day. So far, this is the high of the day, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, what candle is this? Yeah, so that's a low of the day. Time frame, let's do 4 hour. Use New York. Okay. Okay. Ritz, money there, my bro. How you doing? Music is good. Okay. So right now, yeah, guys. If you guys don't have this little indicator on your chart, probably look into it. It's quite useful. Obviously, you guys know that I do talk about high, low, open, close of candles a lot, and using that to determine the direction of price, right? And with yesterday's trade that I took, which was this one here, that's essentially what I was doing. I was looking at how the 4 hour candle low, right? The 4 hour candles, the previous 4 hour candles closure, which was somewhere around like here. No, I think it was around here, right? No, this one here on the half hour. So when it opened, right, we made the low of the 4 hour. So then that's why during this point in price, there was a lot of consolidation, a lot of ranging, because realistically, if you see a 4 hour candle being expansive and being bullish, for example, or even the hourly time frame, you can apply this to any time frame, right? Let's say for me, I wanted to see the 4 hour candle expand, right? So because I wanted to see the 4 hour candle expand, that means I need to try to get in at the low of that 4 hour candle, right? So when I saw all this price action, all this price movement, and then we saw the push up and then the pullback, I was like, okay, cool. There's a higher probability of this being the potential low of the 4 hour, right? And this being a continuation. And pretty much that's what played out to the T, to be honest with you. So bear that in mind. Right now, this is the 4 hour time frame. Okay, we've still got 1 more hour to go. So if I go to the 4 hour, you see that it's going to look just like this. Yeah, you see that? I might need to change the settings a little bit. Can't I change the width of it? I feel like it's too wide. I guess I can't change. Yeah, it looks like I can't change. Okay, cool. We'll just leave it like that. So essentially, yeah, this was the first hour, second hour, third hour, right? And then we're gonna get 1 more hour. EU's pushing down. Okay. Okay, EU, I see you. Alright. So long story short, for this current 4 hour candle, like what's the probabilities of this candle turning bearish, right? That's what you gotta ask yourself. It's quite low, and especially today there's no high impact news whatsoever. Like whatsoever. If I check, you've just got Carnival in Brazil. You know what? Next year I need to go to Brazil, man, and go to a Carnival. Go shake my head and go do boom cha cha boom cha. Anyways, so Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, today is Tuesday. Why am I seeing Jolts opening at 2 and I didn't see it a second ago? Oh no, this is next week. This week. API weekly crude oil stock. Yeah, there's nothing crazy. Yeah, there's nothing really crazy today, guys. So it does look like it's going to be a technical day. Real nice technical day. So we're going to play that hourly candle if we can, and see how it does. Ritz says under music is good. Under style maybe. What do you mean, Ritz, by under style? What do you mean by that, my bro? What do you mean by that, broski? Bitcoin boy. Rich says if you want to hit up a cheaper carnival, hit up Tenerife. It's the second biggest carnival after Brazil. Really? I didn't know that. Have you been to the Tenerife one? And the reason why I want to go to Brazil is like, you know, that's the whole hype behind carnival. You know, that's kind of their thing. You know, they do it extravagant, over the top. You might be able to change it under style. I didn't see that option, bro. Yeah, it doesn't say. Boxes, labels, lines, tables, that's it. If I uncheck it, it just gets rid. See, this one gets rid of the lines. That gets rid of the table. Gets rid of the labels. So, just got to keep it like this. But yeah, guys, this tool is very useful. Right, very, very useful. I know you guys don't really see me use it a lot. But it's very, very useful. You guys see me use the sessions indicator a lot more by Lux Algo to identify Tokyo session, to identify raids of lows, etc., etc. You guys know that I do look at Tokyo session a lot, the Asia session, especially during London session. I want to see what London session's done. Like yesterday, when I saw this low being swept, pull back, continuation, I was like, okay, cool. We've definitely done everything we need to do down here. We've played into a higher time frame area. There's no real reason for us to drop down lower. And then when I checked the economic calendar, I also saw that there's no high impact economic news. So it's like the probabilities of this going against me is quite low. So to be honest, I just took the trade. It went quite heavy as well, to be honest. But it worked out fine. I need to decide which account I want to trade. You know what? I'm going to trade this account today. Let's see if we can get this account out of the drawdown it's in. You know what? I might trade all 3 accounts today. Let's see how that goes. Let's open this one up as well. But honestly, guys, probably the best investment of this year has definitely been my PC. Like, I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Like, I'm being so dead ass right now. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Because the flexibility, right, to just flick between tabs, between screens, just between a whole bunch of stuff. If you see the amount of tabs I've got open, I've probably got 70 tabs open. This beast is just handling it all, to be honest. Got music playing, live streaming at the same time. You know, I actually checked the was it task manager? I checked the task manager. It's like currently using 13% CPU, 61% memory. You know what I mean? It's like it's not even maxed out. Yeah, got 16 tabs open, TradingView, 71 tabs open in Google Chrome, 10 tabs open in Microsoft Edge. There's a lot going on, long story short is what I'm saying. So if you guys don't have a PC, try to get one. It doesn't have to be for trading, by the way, just in general. Your productivity will definitely increase. Anyways, let's see what gold wants to do. February. Why am I seeing February? We're not in February. Okay. So let's see what we're gonna get today, yeah? You went to Tenerife one, yeah, Ritz? How was it? Have you been to the Brazil one, by the way? Or nah? Gift says that's a great investment, bro. I need a PC and a couple of screens still. Honestly, like, I remember for most of the time, I've kind of just done most of my trading on my laptop. But then I remember when I started hooking up my laptop to screens. And the thing is, right, when you've got a much larger screen, what you actually don't realize or know about TradingView is you see more data, right? Let's just say you've got a smaller screen or you're working on your laptop, whatever. Like right now, I think these screens are 27. They're quite big, these screens, but long story short, you might see only up to here, or you might only see up to here. But as soon as I logged in, I connected a monitor, I was seeing so much more data. And it's like when it came to working on the 5 minute time frame, you know, I can see a lot more. Even when I zoom out, I see even more. And it cut out a lot of the mistakes that I'm making. And it's just better, you know? It's just better. Like an indicator, like this PO3 indicator or the sessions indicator, it's like it helps you see things a lot clearer. Okay. Let's look at the 4 hour candles. Look at this expansive 4 hour candle. The only problem, right? Well, it's not really a problem, but with gold, the question is how high are we gonna fly? You know? How high are we gonna fly without a valid pullback down to, you know, let's say this 4 hour candle at 28.91, yeah? That's the only question that I keep asking myself. It's like, cool, we're pushing up now, but how high are we gonna fly up before a pullback? And are we even going to get a deep enough pullback? You know? But the good thing is we do have ADP, NFP, unemployment rate, you know, all these high impact news this week that will definitely shake things up. Rich says, not being Brazil, but Tenerife was an amazing experience. It's actually on this week, I believe. Okay, so what, they have their carnival at the exact same time as Brazil. Okay. Yeah, man. Next year I definitely need to hit up some of these other places. I got some plans this year anyways. I've already traveled already, but I might go somewhere again. Maybe in April. Yeah, maybe April we'll go somewhere again. The only bad thing is, yeah, I can't just take my beast of a PC wherever I go. So it's like, yeah. And the productivity drops when I only work from my laptop, for sure. Okay, so Gift says, so are they saying Trump and his cabinet cannot invest in crypto? But that's the great thing about crypto. Like, how do you know which address belongs to Trump or belongs to his constituents? Like, how would you know? You wouldn't know. There's no way of you knowing which addresses or wallets are connected to which individual. All you can say and assume is, for example, someone's taken a or bought a huge amount of crypto at a specific time, which was close to when Trump has said X, Y, and Z, right? Or yeah, that's pretty much the only thing that you can say. That's it. That's the only evidence you have to work with. Everything else is like you can't stop them, you know? You really can't. And even if they do get in trouble, they've got so much money, so many friends that even if they do get jail time, which is highly unlikely, they'll probably just pay and then just get out. So unless if they're doing some, crazy level of insider trading, like they've just become billionaires or trillionaires, then maybe they'll get jail time. But just off of that alone, I highly doubt it, bro. I can believe, but it's so interesting when markets move so early on in the week, and then we've still got so much to go with the rest of the week with high impact news. It's like gold has moved, yeah. It's pretty much retraced back on all the drop that it did last week, right? Gold has moved almost 1,000 pips back up. Literally, as much as we dropped like 1,200 pips to the downside, we've moved back up 1,000 pips. Do you understand? And this was pretty much in a day. In a day, let's say a day and a half, 1,000 pips. You know? Even you look at Bitcoin as well, when we pushed up, we've taken it all out, or almost all of it in 2 days. 10,000 pips, 11,000 pips. I just hate it when Monday starts moving. But yesterday I decided to really look at the markets heavily because of what Bitcoin was doing over the weekend. I was like, bro, Bitcoin's been moving. Trump's been saying his thing. I looked at the dollar. I was like, bro, this just looks primed to sell off. So let me look for some longs on gold, on EU. It's interesting because for EU, in fact, I actually did sell EU. I did sell EU, and then I took a bigger long position on gold. Rich says, can you share this playlist? It's proper chilled vibes. Of course, my bro. Are you in the Discord, bro? I feel like everyone's always asking me for a playlist every week. Are you in the Discord, Rich? Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there. If you are watching the live stream at the moment, okay, whether it's playback or live, okay, and you want to join, or you enjoy this type of content, more of this content is provided for free inside of my Discord. Link to the free Discord is in the description box down below. Yeah, just click on it and you can join for free. Okay, so ideally, yeah, guys, I do want to see a much deeper retracement to then look for the long. Like the 4-hour picture looks far better. Looks far better. But right now, we're just gonna play what we see.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you get me, cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, you get when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna hug you right. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up beside me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie daisy. Ain't no waiting but some babies. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Don't hold up on my shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot, come impatient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it.
Okay, we're a bit slow right now, guys. I really need to start looking at London session back in the day, because if we were wait for London session, I could have caught maybe a buy here or a buy here, or maybe even a buy up here. Give says in the chat box, what price you think we retraced to? I might have missed it because I was on the call, bro. For gold, the price is here. It's the hourly candle. I posted the setup inside the Discord. So it's like, let's say around 29.18. The higher probable area, the much better area, is down here at 28.94. Yeah. That's the area where I prefer to actually look for longs to take out all-time highs. Look at that daily picture. You know, essentially all what today is done, you know. This picture here, the daily picture looks exactly like this one here. We had the low, hourly candle took out the low, the liquidity there. We had a very bullish closure. Right, the next hourly candle, what did it do? It pulled back and it tested. This candle continued higher. Right, if I go to the daily time frame, you'll be able to see it. Right, look at this candle. What did this candle do? It took out all the liquidity here and this low as well. Right, played into a little bit of a weekly / daily imbalance inside of here. The next day pushed up. What did today do? It pulled back, and what did it do with that pullback? It tested, right, that Friday's daily candle's high, and then shot off, like completely shot off. So it's like, even when I look at the daily, that's why I'm looking at this thinking, look, we'll probably keep pushing up. I don't think we'll have a much deeper retracement, like a deeper pullback. If we do, then fine. But I wouldn't be surprised if we just keep going, you know. But to be honest with you, today has been quite a nice push, you know, about a 400 pip push. You know, Monday was about 360 pip push. Yeah, nothing else right now, guys. Nothing else right now. Gold's barely moving, which means gold will probably move later on in the day anyways. If you're watching a live stream right now and you haven't dropped a like on the live, do me a massive favor and drop a like on the live. If you've got any questions, put inside the chat box and I'll be happy to give you a response. Yes, Mark. How you doing, my bro? Mark's in the chat, boys. Oh, Just Eat has sent me. What was this? 3rd of March, yesterday. 50% off Pancake Day essentials. Well, it's a shame, man. I'm cutting right now. Can't even really be eating that. Which GDX chart do you use? Mark says gold and BTC been moving. Trust me, bro. Yeah, I'm blessed, my bro. Which GDX chart do you use? It's this one here, bro. I don't know if you were here for the GDX data, but so far pre-market open for GDX is very, very high. All right, it's very high. We closed off yesterday's gap, pulled back. So we're gonna open up here, and then we're gonna see if this wants to continue higher or get a little bit of a pullback. But so far, if we are up pre-market, then that means usually, okay, again, guys, it's not guaranteed. Nothing is really guaranteed. But usually, what that means is there's a high probability that gold is also going to push to the upside come New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, so the ticker is literally GDX, my bro. Yeah. And I use this one. I hope that answers your question, Ritz. Gift says you've been smashing that BTC, Mark. Yeah, Mark, you've actually been doing sick, man. Well done, well done, well done. Yeah, done good, I'm happy. Bull run still to come as well. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we do get a bull run. I really want a dollar cost average into Bitcoin, but I'm like, bro, you know the markets. Like, just find a good price, load up. You know, because even from the monthly, if we go with the candle with the lowest body, is this one here. So Bitcoin could come to like 66k, and it's still a pretty decent area to buy. Because even from 66k to all-time high is about 70% return. And if we make a new all-time high, let's say you're looking at, 1x, 2x, sorry, you're looking at doubling your P's, Mark says, can you explain the gaps in the GDX chart, please? I see them often, but not informed on why they happen. Okay, cool. So, right, what you've got to understand, gaps, okay? Gaps, or another way people used to say them, is imbalances or liquidity voids. Basically, yeah, guys, what you need to know about the industry is even FVGs is like, bro, it's all the same stuff, right? But there's different terminologies, different words used to explain the exact same thing, right? I know I haven't answered your question, Mark, but I'm getting there. Okay, so what you all need to understand, yeah, is just find one strategy that's compatible with yourself. Find yourself a mentor who's going to teach you these things, and then just stick with it. So gaps happen, yeah. When you look at any stock market, not like these ones, yeah. If you look at the actual tickers, if you look at Apple, if you look at Microsoft, any of them, right? They have an opening and closing hours. Okay, so if you click on this little area here, right, for pretty much any, right, we've got market rollovers, yeah. So gold closes for an hour. Some other assets might close for 2 hours. S&P closes for like an hour. This GDX will close literally for ages. Okay, now what that means, yeah, is even though market is closed, it doesn't mean there really, like, there isn't still transactions being done. Okay, it doesn't mean that value in the market or that specific asset is not still moving. right? Which is going to affect the pre-market open data. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's just say Apple has its earnings release, right? But it's during market close. Let me see if I can't share this screen with you guys. Window. Essentially, gaps happen, right, when there is activity outside of price. Okay, outside of market open and closure. So if you look at this, yeah, Sunday when we opened, see how we opened lower, right? Because realistically, if the dollar was still open during Saturday and Sunday, it would have eventually traded down here to be open on Sunday evening. Do you understand? It's outside of market activity. Let me see this spreadsheet, man. Like most of the time with gaps, yeah, they can be fundamentally based, right? If there's a fundamental news or there's a perception, right, going on that the dollar should be weaker, it will open up lower or open up higher. That's just all what it is, bro. Anyone in any trades? No, no trades at the moment. I'm a bit salty. I closed off. Well, I didn't close. I just hit TP yesterday. Because look at this huge move here. So potentially if I held off a little bit more, boy, this would have been a crazy move.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the saddest tears. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce, black, and hitting deals. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chills.
Okay. Yeah, not in any trades at the moment, my bro. Guys, if you're watching live stream and you're enjoying the live stream at the moment, leave a like on the live, guys. Leave a like on the live. If you enjoy this type of content and want more of this content is provided inside of my Telegram. Link to Telegram's in the description box down below. Who we got on the stream right now? We got Ritz, Mark, Gifts. Who else is watching? Come say hello. If I've forgotten you, come say hello. Do we have Surprise in here? How you doing, my boy? If you're in here. Joe, what it do? What it do, baby? How you doing, my boy? Some nice buys on gold yesterday, trust me, bro. Joe says, I'm awesome. New week to get the bread. Come on, my bro. Some nice buys on gold yesterday, trust me. Did you take any of the buys, bro? Did you take any of the buys there on gold yesterday? Anyone seen all the drama about Jude's new girlfriend, Ashlyn Castro? Not gonna lie, boys and girls, she is a looker, and she's definitely got a roster, a long list. Michael B. Jordan, LaMelo, Terrence. Okay. I mean, each to their own, innit? Jude, you could have had anyone, bro. You could have had anyone. Anyways, it's none of my damn business. Joe says, yes, I did. I got in around 28, 74, 3, 6, 74. That's around here. Okay. Yeah, I think I gave a setup around 74 as well yesterday. So nice one, bro. Nice one. Look at that monthly candle for Bitcoin right now. Oof. It looks like we're gonna have a very, very heavy month to the downside, boy. Let's see. What's gonna move today, because I'm not seeing anything moving right now. Gold coming down. Okay. We might get a little bit of a something.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Like, honestly, I hate it when price moves on Monday, because like the rest of the week is just weird now. Alright, gold's dropping. We're getting closer to the hourly candle. Let's see if it actually wants to give us anything today. We're 15 minutes from New York Stock Exchange open, so the timings do add up. All right, goals just tap the hourly candle now. Right, we are 15 minutes away. That MJ sound for cold. You like that, yeah? Okay, so I need to stop slouching on my chair. But we are inside the area. Let's see what gold wants to do. Let's watch this on the 1 minute for a little bit. Dollar at the moment is still pushing up. We are approaching areas where we can look for the dollar to start faltering and dropping. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Pretty nice 5 minute candle there on the EU. So let's see what this does, guys. Let me just set some alerts. Okay. Okay, gold's still dropping. It's all good. Trump speaks tonight at 2 a.m. Where did you see this, Mark? His speech.
I'm a medical student. All I do is study, so you could trust me. I've used Grammarly
Forex Factories in the calendar.
forever. One of the biggest
What
things I
rating
use
is
it
it
for
in terms of
Grammarly is
impact? Is
email
it high
you to
impact,
sound a little bit
low,
more
or medium?
professional. Their AI has some really cool tools that help you breathe.
Or is it like one of those tentative ones? A red folder, Forex Factory. Let me have a look, bro. To be honest, Forex Factory is goated, man. Tentative. Today. You said today, or was it? Okay, today at 2 p.m. is Wednesday. Yeah, I see it. President Trump speaks at 2 a.m. What's the time zone this is using? What time zone is this thing using? Make sure time zone's correct. I mean, look, it says it's 2:19 p.m. right now, so that is correct. Okay, so tonight I can't be using my bot. Let me turn it off. 2 a.m. or maybe I can run it for 1 hour. Maybe from midnight to 1 a.m. Yeah, I might do that. Okay, we're still dropping. Dollar's still pushing up. We're 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. We are 8 minutes from NYSE Open, guys. Have you lot seen the video of those kids going to Westfield and chucking a couch? I think they look like they're on a upper floor. It's like, yo, if that hits someone, it's crazy. Gift says, yeah, bro, I saw that. Well, that's bad. Thankfully, you didn't hit anyone. It's just silly, man. Honestly, it's just actually silly. Like, what's the actual point of it? That's what I don't understand. Like, you could just ruin your life just like that. Ruin someone else's life too. You know? You can make someone paralyzed. Okay. That's this TikTok generation, bro. They think everything's a joke. Bro, that is seriously dangerous, you know. Okay. Bitcoin does look like it will drop on the half hour. DXY. Gold. Okay, guys. I know it's not pretty, but we just gotta wait. New York Stock Exchange open in a bit. Take a look at the hourly candle. Okay, so we actually need to see this hourly candle. It doesn't look great for a bullish move, right? If we close something like this, then the next hour will probably pull up and then take out the low. But for this hourly candle to close, we want to actually see it push a little bit up. I want to see a little bit of a wick beneath, you know, kind of look like this candle here, but over here. Okay, if we look at the PO3 4-hour candle, is flipping bearish right now. So this candle 1 2 3 4, yeah, so depending on how this candle closes. Okay, we want to see it push up a little bit on here for gold for sure.
Get iPhone 16 Pro at Vodafone and save an amazing £414. Plus, save up to an extra £360 when you trade in an eligible iPhone. Ends 18th of March. Go online or in-store today. Vodafone.
Alright, nice. We're getting that push up. Okay, let's go split screen. Right, GDX has opened and it's opened up. Right, it's opened up and it's continuing to push the GDX. Dollar is also dropping off, which is good. So those things are in confidence right now. Let's see. We need a little bit more evidence though. No, I don't like that.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me.
Okay. Gold's looking a little bit better. It's still not great, but it's a little bit better. GX is dropping right now. Let's look at that on the 1 minute. Let's give it a second.
Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder.
Okay, GDX is really, really dropping off. Doesn't look like these buys are gonna come right now, but we're still here. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. Okay, so Bitcoin has taken out the low. It's just taking out that low there. Right, there goes gold. It looks like that 5-minute imbalance is gonna hold price. Yeah. Okay. Here's what I'm thinking so far, yeah. To be honest, like this hourly candle's low is not really the strongest thing ever. It's not really that strong. So I'm gonna see, right, depending, right, on how we're printing, hourly candle looks okay. I don't really want to sell gold right now though. That's the thing. Let's anticipate both, okay? So right now, looking at this 5-minute candle, if we hold this 5-minute candle, we can definitely take out this low, and then potentially come down to the lower area on the 4-hour, right? For one. Number two, let me turn this down a little bit. Number two, we could push through this 5-minute imbalance, and then if we get a test on the opposite end, we can then go long. Okay, so that's going to be the framework for now. I hope that's clear. Makes sense to you guys. Yeah, remember the higher probable error is a lot lower, but we're just gonna play what we can see. Yep, it's dropping off.
What separates great thinkers and the okay thinkers isn't talent. It's what they do with their time. And the greatest thinkers humanity has ever seen spent their time fighting against death's clock. So how are you using yours? This is the idea behind the saying memento mori. It means remember, you're going to die. Not as something to fear, but as a reminder to live intentionally and to focus on what truly matters. Here's the problem. Modern distractions are stealing away our focus. We're so busy doom
Okay. Looks like gold wants that low, guys. Euro USD. Looks like this might just be one of those later on in the day trades. Maybe 6 p.m. We'll see. Should we take a look at the stock market today, guys? Because gold's not really trying to play ball right now. Gold's just taking that low. Is there really an entry in this? No, not really. Unless if you had the setup that you wanted to sell from the jump anyways. But this is good. Alright, if we're going to get this low taken, see if we can find other areas below. Oh, wow, look at Dow Jones. I heard Nvidia had a pretty deep drop recently as well. Nasdaq's pulling back up. That's quite an aggressive drop lower there on Dow Jones. Look at BTC. Okay. A little pullback action going on Bitcoin. On the 5-minute. That's a huge candle. Oof. That's taking out some of that Asia Tokyo high. Tokyo high is over here. It's taking out some of the Tokyo range. I mean, this could still sell off, you know. Could still sell off right now off of these highs. I would not be surprised if it does still sell off. Or maybe it pulls up a little bit higher and then sells off. I don't really like anything right now. I'm not feeling any of these pairs right now. Could I sell gold right now? Maybe, but it's not how I like to look at the markets. Joe says looking at price actions to come to 58.48. 58.48, yeah. 58.48. It's quite high. It's not that high. Okay, so you just want to see the S&P pull back, Joe. I got you. EU not doing much. DXY. I mean, look, there's not a crazy lot happening so far this morning. There was a lot happening in the morning for London session. Let's see how that 4-hour candle closed. Did it close bearish? Yeah, closed bearish. Okay. I don't think that's quite right, you know. Honestly, sometimes gold gives you such nice scalping moves, but this little 5-minute pull up into that imbalance has been quite beautiful. GDX is still dropping.
Domino's cookies stuffed with a whole Cadbury cream egg. All good.
I'm not in a rush right now. Nowhere near in any rush at the moment. Something will pop up, guys. Pardon me. Alright, guys. Still watching. If the picture improves, we'll do something. But right now, we're just chilling. S&P's Nasdaq on correction course as Nvidia slumps. Nasdaq should be dropping. No, it's not. Okay. Yesterday was a really nice setup that I had on the S&P. I go back and show you guys, it's on a 2 minute. No, it's on a 1 minute. Yeah. So stock open, we had that push up, raiding these highs here. Right, these equal highs here. Raided, dropped, took out the low, change structure, pull back, drop, imbalance. First entry there, second entry there, third entry there, and from there finally. But to be honest, when I was looking at this was the entry. Okay, 1 to 2. The rest was obviously when I looked at it at a later date and I saw that, okay, cool, we came to the same area and reacted multiple times. I mean, the thing is, the stock market is so good, yeah, when it wants to move. Like if stock market is really gonna move, it's like gold, right? It's like oil. It will give you some serious moves once it's ready. But the thing is, if the stock market is not ready to move, boy, you might be sitting in a lot of chop, up down, left right, until you actually get any sort of moves, you know. But right now I'm seeing some news with the tariffs, so that looks like it'll probably hold weight and keep us pushing down. I do want to scalp gold right now, guys, and go short. I really do, but I'm also thinking it's not really worth the risk. But if I were to scalp gold, I'll go for something like this with a 40 pip stop. Right, this would be my setup, guys, yeah, for gold if I wanted to get in for a quick scalp. It's about a 1 to 2 R. Give says, bro, I want to scalp so bad. That makes the both of us, my bro. Because right now, gold is giving us scalping opportunities, to be honest with you. Alright, so new hourly candle in 9 minutes. Let's see how that plays out. Looks like we're getting a nice reaction there on that gold setup.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting drawn in to gold, guys. I'm really getting drawn in. You might hear some gavels going off. Gold's really doing that thing on me. I do want to wait for the new hourly candle to open, see if I can enter near the high of the hour, and then the next hour see if it can drop a little bit lower. I really don't want to wait for the next hour, but I know I need to wait for the next hour candle to open. We might move before then. Ah, gold. Stop moving. It's like gold's gonna do the thing. Okay, I'm in 3 minutes to that hourly candle, man. We might still get a pull up. Bitcoin. There goes gold, man. Yeah, man, that scalp for gold is nice. 40 pips, just like that. Yep. See you later. GDX coming down as well. Yep, see you later. To be honest, I should have just entered, but it's fine. We still got the hourly candle to open. Let's see if we can get a bit of a pullback. This hourly candle is incredibly bearish. I want to see if the hourly candle can at least give us a little bit of a push up, right? Get a little bit of a push up in a continuation lower. That'll be fine. All right, anyone in any trades right now? Joe, did you catch any shorts for the S&P? Still dropping this. Dow's still going. Nasdaq is turning itself around slowly. Nasdaq should be coming down today though, to be honest. We'll see at some point. Yeah, GDX is still dropping. Joe says, no, not seeing what I want to see. That's fair enough, bro. Wow, we might really... Oof, look at GDX. Gold. We might really get a 90 pip. Wow. We really did just get a flash. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. We've not come to another area. Okay, new hourly candle opened. We've pushed down instead of pushing up first. Okay, here's what I'm seeing here, guys. We could get a little bit of a pullback, but right now, because we've already tapped into this area, I'm not really liking our chances, but we can get a play. Yeah, we can get a play here. New stop here. 40 pips there. That's going to be the setup for today. Okay, so we can try and take that move. Okay, that's the setup for the day. That's all I'm going to look at for gold. Smooth is really hitting the deck. Let's take it out the low. Okay. Taking out the weekly low as well. Okay. Trump's really just shaking everything up right now. You know? Why does this PO3 change? Is it showing me the hour? Why does this thing keep changing? $11, $12, $1, $2, $3. Wow, it's a new 4-hour candle already. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a little sell here for this gold move. Just need to come up a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay. It's quite an aggressive run up, but taking a little sell here on gold. Okay, if we get tapped out, then so be it. Just move the TP. Okay, let's see that play out right now. So I'm currently in a gold short right now. GDX is continuing to drop, but let's see. I kind of wanted to see this drop at the hourly candle open, but it is what it is. To be honest, this hourly candle can still push up a lot higher. I'm gonna see if we can test the foot of this hourly candle here. We can still test it, but I'm just gonna give it a go. Little small go. Yeah, if you guys want to participate in this with me, it's not too late. If not, you can just chill. To be honest, it makes more sense for you to chill. Don't get me wrong, we've had a move, but the move was definitely in the morning. Today anyways, it was definitely in the morning. That's for sure, you're right on. Okay, there goes Bitcoin reversing. Turning straight back around. Honestly, the liquidity runs on Bitcoin are so aggressive sometimes. Together. Alright, look, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think we should just call it a day here, man. Well, call it the stream here. I'll update the Discords and the Telegrams accordingly. For now, we're just gonna see how price wants to print. We are in and around the sell setup for gold. We'll see if that wants to come down. Right now, the dollar is turning around, so we might blow through this area. But let's just see how it plays out for the rest of today. Other than that, Money Day, thank you for joining me. Gift, Joe, Mark, Ritz. If there's anyone else in here that I didn't spell your name or say your name, still appreciate you anyways. Other than that, Money Day, I will see you guys in the Discord. Peace.